Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the output in Python, or you can say that we are going to discuss the print function in Python. So I'm saying print function. So print is a predefined function in Python, and as this function name is self-explanatory, that the print function will print the data on your screen. So if we think about it, then the most fundamental thing in any programming language is that the input to a program and output from the program, and this output in the program is displayed using the print function. So let's think of a situation in which you might need to print your name. Then how will you print it on the screen? So if you think about it, that you simply have to print your name, and your name is basically a string. And as we have to print a string which is basically our name, so we can print it in Python by putting it either double quote or single quote with this print function. So if you have to print your name, what you can do is that you can simply write print and then you can put your name within this double quote, or if you want, you can simply put a single quote and then write your name, and if you run this cell you will see that you have your name printed on the screen. But let's assume that you have a variable which is named as my name, and you have to put your name into this variable and then use the print function to print your name which is present in this variable. Then how you can do it? You'll simply declare a variable my name. In this you are going to put your name just like I'm putting it over here. Then with the help of this print function you can directly call this variable which you have declared over here, in which you have saved your string or your name, and if you run this then you will see that you have Atul Anand which is stored in this my name, and this Atul is appearing because over here on the top we have used this print and then this string which is my name. Now let's say that we want to print a string with a numeric value, and this numeric value is stored in an identifier commonly known as variable. Then what we can do? So if we need to print a value of the identifier or value of a variable, then we need to write the identifier name just like we did over here without any double quote. So let's say that I have to give my name with my location ID. So let's say I'm going to put a new variable, my location ID, and then I'm going to put over here as 25. Okay, and then I'm going to give a print statement saying that hello, my name is Atul and my location ID is, and now I have to use this my location ID over here. So I'll simply copy this my location ID. After this double quote ends, I'm just gonna put a comma and then I'm gonna give this my location ID variable or identifier. And now if I run this cell, you will see that whatever I have given the string in this print statement is printed over here, and then my location ID which is declared over here and the value is 25 is printed over here. So here you can see that the string and the identifier are separated and concatenated by a comma, and it's printing on the screen. So this is how basically you can use print statement to print something on your console or on your screen. Happy learning and see you in the next video.